Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the HUMP token. Now this is a fairly new Solana meme token. They have a very big market cap. I've actually seen this token advertised in different news articles. We're going to go over the HUMP token. We're going to check the security on it to see if there's any issues that you should be concerned about, any red flags that this could potentially be a scam. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Twitter in the corner of the screen there, at HUMP token on Twitter. And it says, "Hump Pump Never Slump." 11.4 thousand Twitter followers. They joined in July 2022. So this is not a brand new Twitter. 63 tweets so far. And they're still active on their Twitter, even though, you know, this token's been around a little while. They just tweeted 19 minutes ago as of recording this video, posting lots of memes, of course, on their webpage of this dog and all sorts of stuff here. So pretty active on their socials. They have a Telegram, which is at HUMP token. 12,433 Telegram members, 1,246 of them online. And yeah, it says HUMP token has only one aim: to make Sol the biggest blockchain on Earth. And then they have their webpage, which is at hump.io. So I saw a news article here. I actually have it on my screen still. From Coinpedia, and it's called "HUMP Makes Strong Debut, New 100 Times Solana Meme Coin to Watch." Now, when they say 100 times, they mean potentially. I don't know how people get away with saying 100 times when it hasn't happened yet and may not happen, but people do that all the time. And, it, you know, every time you hear that, always think potentially, right? Because who knows? Some people make wild claims about 1,000 times and this and that. So anyways, then it says, "Don't just pump, let's hump too. Welcome to HUMP." And then they have a link to their Twitter, Telegram, buy now button, DEX tools chart, and contract address, all on their webpage. So you can find all that at hump.io, along with tokenomics, integrations, info. So they've been featured in tons of news articles. It says Coinpedia, Crypto News, Cryptoplian, Coin Edition, Bitcoinist, Analytics Insight. So tons of advertising this token does here. So HUMP isn't just your average meme token. It's a beacon of progress in the world of decentralized finance, inspired by the adorable image of a furry friend. HUMP represents more than just a cute face. It embodies the spirit of innovation and community empowerment. So they have a DEX screener chart embedded right on their page. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, all you'd have to do, first of all, you'd need a Solana wallet for Solana tokens, like a Phantom wallet or a Solflare wallet. You would fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium or Jupiter, and then trade your Sol for the HUMP token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, hump.io. You probably will not have to set slippage because it says 0% taxes. And if you didn't understand anything I just said, on their webpage, hump.io, they have a full guide tutorial of how to buy this token. So you can follow that if you like as well. So why HUMP? HUMP is more than just a meme coin marvel. It's a movement. By embracing HUMP, you're not only investing in a digital asset, you're joining a community of forward thinkers and innovators who are passionate about shaping the future of finance. Total supply 6,900,000,000 tokens. And they have a contact email at the bottom of their webpage and a disclaimer. It says investment in meme coins such as HUMP token carries inherent risks and should be approached with caution. Always conduct thorough research and seek professional advice, as the value can be highly volatile and subject to sudden fluctuations, with past performance not indicative of future results. So they have here a chart on DEX Screener and on DEX Tools. Now let's get to the security of this token. So first of all, one thing I noticed right off the bat is they don't have a liquidity lock button. So on DEX Tools and DEX Screener, they have like a liquidity lock button there that will tell you how long it's or how much is locked and if it's burned liquidity or not. I do not see that lock button on DEX Tools or on DEX Screener. So just be aware of that. I don't think liquidity is locked. It could be locked somewhere else, but obviously they don't clarify that on their webpage. I didn't see anything about liquidity lock on there, and I don't see a button on any screen. So just be aware of that. You don't want to get rugged. They have a big market cap, $46.6 million, and that is also their FDV. They have $1.8 million in liquidity in RAYDIUM. So that's a lot of liquidity that potentially could not be locked at all. They still have a big 24-hour trading volume of $2 million. They're up 8.6% right now in the past 24 hours. The pool was actually created on RAYDIUM almost 5 days ago, so this is not a brand new token. Pool was created 5 days ago. And so still fairly new, but huge market cap for a short amount of time also. They have 3,250 holders so far, and they have here 5.19 thousand pooled SOL in RAYDIUM, which is equivalent to 137.92 million pooled HUMP tokens. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 99.1% out of 109 votes. And they have a quick audit from Quick Intel Security, and it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So they have a good audit. Keep in mind, it's only a quick audit. I wish they had a full audit. So that's one thing that they're missing is a full audit. I don't see a KYC and a team docs. They're listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap if you want to check them out there as well. But yeah, so the liquidity lock is concerning to me. That's the biggest concern. The second thing is that they don't have a full audit and KYC and team docs. So just be aware of those potential big security risks. So I would say it is highly risky. Even though they're a well-established project that has a huge market cap already, that doesn't mean that there's no potential for it to be a scam. So just be aware of that. Thoroughly conduct your own research before investing in this token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.